we're gonna talk is Baltasar. Baltasar. Do you know Baltasar?
Who's he?
Oh, you're about to find out, baby.
Let me know.
You're about to find out.
Let me know.
And then you're gonna get yourself some Baltasar. Because it's a very, very important man in Africa. Have you been to Africa?
I have not.
Oh, believe me, you're gonna go. Let's go to Africa. Let's go to Africa. Look at Baltasar.
Why he look like that?
Why he look like that? Because he's banging somebody. Yeah. He's banging somebody's wife at the moment. You see? There you go. Yeah.
Let's get the tie out of the way. Let's go.
Who is this?
Okay. Stanley, you want to tell her who Baltasar is?
Who is he?
Baltasar is a guy that's currently very famous for a lot of wrong reason in Africa, and some good reason too.
Oh no! Well, I don't like why say he's famous for a wrong reason, but some good. No, only good reason. I do not agree with that part. Go ahead.
Yeah. Well, the thing is that he was having sex with a lot of different women in what's the country? I think is Equatorial Guinea, right?
Yeah.
He was he's a finance guy. He's part of the finance department or maybe audit department of the government. He's have close tie to the president and close tie to a lot of the different politicians. But it seems like also he had a lot of close tie with all their wives. And this guy went around and he was, videotaping all the activities. And then I think his own brother, found those videos, and the brother saw his own wife in one of those videos.
Wow.
And decided to leak the video because he was so upset about it.
Wow.
That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it.
That's wild.
So imagine apparently he's a high position guy too. And then his uncle is the president of the country. And but all these women as well, they agree. And also apparently there was
They agreed for what? What was he offering?
No, I mean to have sex with them. And
then he was banging all these people's wives.
Yes, 400. Well,
400?
400 women.
400.
So what was he offering? That they just bow down to him like that?
Well, practically a lot of them work around him. And then here's the funny thing. But here's the thing though.
Well, Baltasar, let's just say that Baltasar also is well equipped.
Yeah.
So he was offering a good time.
Words goes around that he really serviced the women good. And then all the women.
So everyone just decided to cheat just for this guy. Just because he was well equipped.
Yes.
Are you fucking serious?
But
no.
there's different reason. And one of the other reason as well. Because he's the type of guy.
Look at him.
That have he's a gynecologist too. That's some clinical work right there.
Wow.
Yeah. So you see now, look at that. The thing about it is, and some of the men send their wife because he owes them money.
Okay, so there is reason.
So not all of them. Not all of them. And he also have the power to investigate financial corruption. So that means this is the guy, if you're in the wrong, and then you don't want to be investigated, and then guess what happened?
You do this, he makes it disappear.
You send your wife to get service. You know? So
yeah, but like I said, he also had a reputation, and that reputation that he came with a very special package, right? And I mean, any woman that hear that kind of rumor out there might want to go find out for themselves. What do we know?
But you're talking about these women are in marriages. These women are so you're willing to throw it away to find out.
Throw away? They're not throwing anything away. Their husband probably know about it.
Probably.
Some of the husbands know about it.
Because they want to find out about a package?
I don't know.
That you can go buy at the store?
Oh, well,
Which store?
I don't know.
Several.
Tell me about
There's several. I don't understand.
But I don't think these women in Africa, they have that luxury that you have. So for them to go to any store.
But they're good with their hands. They can make it.
Well, I don't know. So, well, I guess the hand was not satisfactory. But Baltasar, actually, to me, and they say like people want to kill him. I mean, I want to kill him for what? And then they say they want to put him in jail. I mean, whoa, what? The guy did not do anything wrong.
It's an embarrassment. If this guy doesn't go to jail, he needs to leave this country.
What do you mean embarrassment? Embarrassment for whom? Nobody talking about the women.
You know,
he never forced them. Actually, he helped Africa. Now his country's on the map. Nobody. Did you know about this country before?
I mean, his country?
Yeah. You did not know about. Okay, now you do.
Equatorial Guinea.
Now you do. Now
have you ever heard of Equatorial Guinea?
No. And even after hearing about him, like, I'm still not gonna think about it.
Well, now we're talking about it. So
exactly. You can ignore the fact that you did not know, but now you know.
Exactly.
No, here you go.
Have you ever heard the name Baltasar before?
No.
Well, now you know.
Now you know. There you go. So anytime you hear Baltasar, believe me, you're gonna think about the African guy.
Oh,
geez. Yes, sir. But I mean, like, but there is an interesting guy, an interesting individual.
Because he banged 400 women.
Well,
that's why he's interesting.
He has a reputation. You know, if you knew a guy that banged 400 women, Odessa, don't you think that he would be doing something right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Tell me. Is he doing something wrong or doing something right?
Hey.
I don't know.
Maybe he got special package. Maybe God make him with 2 testicles. I'm trying to find out of something.
That's
you know?
Wild.
Hey.
I mean.
But, that's, we're talking about it because the brother chose to put it out. This has been going on for years. And guess what happened? It's happened everywhere. That's what politicians do. Women love men with power. You know that.
That's for sure.
They love men with power. Don't you think all these politicians, believe me, remember there's this guy that was talking about Washington itself? Like even the Matt Gaetz investigation, they say like, oh, you know what? They talking about this, but that's what they do. Oh, what that guy named? The guy that was in Florida, the one that was in New York, that gay guy. He was acting like he's Jewish. And then Santos, right?
Mm.
Yes, him. Look at him, for example. He stopped putting everybody business out.
Oh, Santos, yeah.
Yeah, Santos, yeah. He started putting everybody, yes, they do orgy. They have orgy party. They do this, they do that. They have like a lot of women over there. Hey. But guess what? Yeah. He shut his mouth quick. You know?
Right. Well,
it's politicians.
There's no doubt that women are attracted to status. You know, and part of status is being, powerful. Either you have money or your name's out there, you're doing something right. That's basically an attraction. So if somebody's going to say, hey, I'm picky and I like my men to be this XYZ, I think like status is going to be part of it. So
of course.
I don't know. Yeah.
And like I said, it's also have something to do with the fact that the guy can make things disappear. So everybody that you see that's talking about trying to criticize it, things like that, they're full of shit. They wish they were in that guy's place. Easy. As a matter of fact, there's nobody that slept with more women than pastors. They got more women than, as a matter of fact, they even the pastor said, listen, if you want to marry this woman, I have to taste her first.
I'll be out of that church so fast.
Yeah.
I'm like, honey.
And especially Asian church. They have something called Cri de Minuit. Cri de Minuit, like something, they have some type of service called like Cry of Midnight. So your wife leave your house and spend midnight at the church. And usually at midnight, that's when things happen. I don't know what kind of spirit they call him, but guess what happened?
Wow.
Somebody really screaming.
Have you been to Cri de Minuit over there, sir?
No, absolutely not.
What's the latest you've been at church?
The latest, maybe 11, 12 o'clock. If you go into a morning service.
You don't go to night church?
The morning. You don't go to church at night?
At like 11 o'clock.
No,
and not 12 o'clock at night. She's at the club at this time.
Not anymore, but no.
So you see, at the end of the day, people like, they wish they were like, and they wish they were Baltasar. You understand? So, me, one thing I said, don't blame the guy. As a matter of fact, if it wasn't because of the brother, but it kind of Ashy too, man. How the fuck you gonna fuck your brother's wife? Come on, how you gonna do
crazy?
That? How you gonna screw your brother's wife? Come on.
C'est dépasser les bords.
C'est dépasser les. I mean, that's crazy.
Yeah.
But again, too, why would why the wife of your brother choose to sleep with you?
I mean, I don't know. I mean, maybe
that's some
somebody
crazy
can
shit.
Tell me what those women were thinking, because I would have to get one and interview. There's 400 of them. I'm thinking.
Yeah, he had to have been offering something, doing something.
Well, he definitely offering something.
Nah, more
he
than
definitely
that.
Offering
it needs to be more than that.
I mean, he's running. Maybe he's only running on reputation. That's it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
There's no way. There's no way.
But your brother's wife. Me, I'm thinking about
that song, Big Reputation. Big Reputation. I don't know.
But I mean, it's like it's crazy. It's crazy, man. It's like I don't understand it. And now, if you really look at it,
perplexed.
Only person that's getting blamed is him, and nobody complaining about the women.
But I saw the
women always got a free pass, huh?
He was. They took him to court. So what was he in court for?
Took him to court for what? I don't know. The producer did not give me that. Took him to court for what?
I don't know. He was at court. He was at court getting arrested. Yeah, he was arrested.
For the crime. For what crime? For banging some. I mean, like banging his brother's wife. Is it illegal in Africa?
That might be illegal.
Oh yeah, that's true.
That might be illegal.
That should be illegal.
Yeah.
I mean, sleeping with your brother.
He's like, that should be illegal. Do you think that should be illegal, Odessa?
I mean, it's not illegal, but it's wrong.
Should it be illegal? Eh? Should it be illegal?
It's not illegal.
To screw your brother's wife.
It's not.
Should
it be illegal?
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
like y'all are getting too technical. No, it shouldn't be illegal, but morally it's wrong. Illegal is completely different.
Yeah, but it's consequences, huh?
In a different aspect, yes.
Okay. Well, mesdames et messieurs, this is it for the night. I cannot believe we're closing the show with Baltasar. Now I'm gonna go to sleep with this guy in my head.
Oh, Lord.
400
You want to be Baltasar? What's his name?
Baltasar.
Baltasar. You want to be Baltasar?
I'm sure in his dream tonight he's going to envision
I'd rather be Baltasar in my dream.
Oh, okay.
Believe me. What about I leave it like that? And also, people, subscribe, okay? Subscribe to our channel, YouTube, Facebook,
share and
Twitter, and share and give me love. As you guys know, there's one thing I ask. Give me love, okay? Give me love. Share the post. Share the subscribe. And we have a lot of great show that Repiblik gonna bring for us. And then also, n'a tout profiter saluer tout producteur yo. Et Sly, Funky, David, next up travail MDK très dur. Look at the studio they put together for us. So practically we giving you and we give you the best of the best. And again, only one thing you have to do, go ahead and subscribe to all our channel. And then we're going to start giving some giveaway. Thanksgiving is coming. Christmas is coming.
Mm-hmm. My birthday is coming.
And her birthday is coming. You start receiving gifts yet? Are you accepting any gift?
Of course.
Okay,
Why
she's
wouldn't
accepting gift, people. So
I'm always accepting gifts. November 24th.
Maybe you should throw her cash app out there.
Yeah. So we're gonna put her cash app number on the screen. So anybody that wanna send some gift to her today, sir, feel free to do so. Okay. And as a matter of fact, just send your And
you want to put it out there?
Hey, Odessa 0024. Let's go.
And Baltasar will send you a gift. You know that?
No. I don't want no gifts from him.
Why not?
I'm good.
You good? With
I don't want that. I don't want those kind of gifts.
Because she doesn't want to be 401.
And also, people, subscribe. Okay. Subscribe to our channel, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and share and give me love. As you guys know, it's one thing I ask. Give me love. Share the post. And we have a lot of great show that Repiblik gonna bring for us. And again, only one thing you have to do, go ahead and subscribe to all our channel.